5:17. Okay. So a very good morning to all of you. Today is what Wednesday, and the time right now is 5:17 a.m. So we will start for our day. So close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be erect. Take a long deep breath in and out. Feel the morning environment. Feel the fresh air traveling through your body. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax yourself, relax your body. Okay, now rub your palms, roll it over your face. Okay. Now we will start for quick warm up, and later we will do for more things. So start for it. First, neck up and down. Do it slowly and make sure that you are stretching your neck properly. Side to side. Okay, now rotate it fully. In reverse in direction. Okay, let it be. Close your eyes and take a long deep breath in and out. Guys, feel the fresh and cool environment. Okay, now rub your palms. Roll it over your face. Massage your ears. From both the sides, front and back. Okay. Now neck. Massage your neck. Okay, let it be. Relax it. Take a long deep breath in and out. One more time. Okay, now we will do sit on your knees. Yeah. Now crisscross your hands and make sure that while doing this your hand should be in the level of your shoulder, not below and not up. It should be in the same level. Okay, so 3 2 1 and start. Sideward. Rotate your hands in full way. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Rotate in reverse direction. And 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. In upward direction. 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Reverse in direction. Okay, relax it. Back in normal position. Okay. Now we'll go for next one. Shake your hands. Rotate your wrist. Reverse it. Sideward. Reverse it. Upward. Reverse it. Okay, let it be, relax it. Now rotate your shoulder like this. Rotate it in full way. Reverse it. Okay, relax now. Stretch your shoulder and back. Stretch it. Okay, in another direction. Okay, now shoulder. Another one. Okay, relax it. Now close your eyes and keep your spine erect. Feel the environment. Feel the silence in the morning. Feel the fresh air traveling through your body. And relax your body and your mind. Take a long deep breath in and out. Now we are proceeding for Anulom Vilom. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Relax it, let it be. Take a normal breath in and out. Relax yourself, relax your body and mind. One more time. Now getting for the second set. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, relax it, let it be. Take a normal breath in and out. One more time. Okay, now getting for the last set. So 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Now let it be, relax it. Take a long deep breath in and out. Okay. Now we will getting for Kapalbhati. So relax yourself, relax your body and mind. Take a long deep breath in and out. One more time. One more time. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Take a deep breath in and out. Hmm. Okay. Now moving for Kapal Bharti. So close your eyes. Your spine should be erect. And 3, 2, 1, and start. Relax it, let it be. Take a deep breath in and out. Now getting for second set. While doing this, make sure that you should squeeze your stomach properly so that you will get more benefited for this. So 3, 2, 1, and go for it. Let it be relaxing. Take a long deep breath in and out. Now getting for the last one. So I will do it for 45 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, and start. Relax it, let it be. Take a long deep breath in and out. One more time. One more. Okay, now rub your palms. And roll it over your face. Okay, now we will go for what? Yeah. Okay, now we will go for Brahmari. So make sure that your spine should be erect and close your eyes. Close your ears with your thumbs, and while doing this you have to make some kind of tune, and we will do it for 10 times, and if you're done with that, come back with your normal position. Okay, so take your position, close your ears with your thumbs, and 3, 2, 1, and start. If you're done with this, come back to your normal position. Make sure that your eyes should be closed and your spine should be erect. Take a long deep breath in and out. Now rub your palms. Roll it over your face. Okay, now next we will go for next we will go for Bhastrika. So 3, 2, take your position first, and 3, 2, and make sure that your eyes should be closed, spine should be erect, and 3, 2, 1, and start. Relax it, let it be. Okay, now gearing for the second one. So take your position, close your eyes, your spine should be erect, and 3, 2, 1, and start. relax it. Take a long deep breath in and out. Relax yourself, relax your body and mind. Take a long deep breath in and out. Okay, now we will go for 1 minute breathing, slow, medium and fast. So take a long, while taking the breath, you should take from your nose and exhale it from your nose only. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Medium phase. Fast one. Let it be, relax it. Rub your palms. Roll it over your face. Okay. Now we will proceed further for butterfly pranayam. So take your position. Take your position. We will do 3 sets, each of 30 seconds. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Flip it properly. Make sure that your spine should be red. Okay, relax it. Stretch your legs and try to touch your head to your knees. Okay, relax. Back to normal position. Take your position and 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Try to touch your legs to the ground and flip it properly. That's it. Stretch your legs one more time. Okay, moving for third side. So 3, 2, 1 and go. Try to touch to ground. If possible, do it. Flip it. Okay, let it be. Relax it back to normal position. We have 10 more minutes. Guys, today we will go for 5-minute meditation. So let me play the music.
ये 5 मिनट पहले की बात है कि हमारे पास एक पेशेंट हो.
Just a minute. Yeah, okay. While meditate yourself, make sure that you are in proper position, like your spine should be erect and straight. Your eyes should be closed, and if you are getting any thoughts in your mind, just let it be and try to be in present moment. Try when you get some thoughts, at that time you think about the present moment and come back with the present moment so that it will not come again. So it's just a 5 minutes meditation. Okay, close your eyes. I will play the music. Okay.
Begin by getting into a nice, comfortable seated position.
Okay.
Spine tall and straight. Shoulders rolling back slightly to open up your heart.
Feel the silence of
Palms
morning.
resting in your lap, facing open. And when you're ready, lovingly close your eyes. Allow yourself to focus on your breath. Feeling a sense of expansion on every inhale and a sense of release on every exhale. Recognizing the gift that is your breath. Even if only for this moment, feeling deeply grateful for the air you are breathing. You feel yourself as present in your body, present in this moment. And you start to think about all the ways your life is now better than it was at some other point.
Put some smile on your
Only one
face.
or two ways come to mind. Focus on them intently. What are at least one or two improvements that have happened across the course of your life? Spend a moment simply tuning in to how these improvements feel in your body, your heart, and your mind. And as you start to equate your life with improvement, as you start to feel what it feels like within you to experience improvement. You start to feel a sense of positivity and optimism building within you, feeling that it's possible for positive growth to continue. You know what it feels like, and you welcome in aligning with it even more now. You affirm to yourself, I'm ready for good things. I welcome in goodness in my life. I welcome in positive, happy, healthy experiences. I allow myself to align with joy. I allow myself to align with positivity. And with that, you feel as though a beam of light is lowering down over you, aligning your body with positivity. Use your imagination to tune in to the beautiful energy here. Affirming to yourself, I am positivity. Take a nice deep breath in, stomach and ribcage fully expanding, letting the feeling of positivity build. And when you're ready, exhale with a sigh. Begin to roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling this positive energy flowing all throughout you, and taking the sense of positivity with you as you open your eyes back to the incredible world around you.
Today, I summon to my life a positive mentality through which I can let go and be at peace. Behind my closed eyelids, the cool, dark space is soothing, inviting me to feel calm and tranquil. As I draw in a deep breath, every cell in my body is activated and energized, and I can feel the life current run from the base of my spine